Good morning, everyone. Here we are. We are live, and I thank you for all your support. And today I have my special guest, Sister Irene. She is from New York, and this is actually the second time that we talk, but we have this communication in our group, which is really nice. I am so excited because these people that we have in our community is very friendly and kind. So Sis Irene is here today, and she is going to introduce herself first, and I have more question later on after her introducing herself. So Sis Irene, take it away.
Thank you, sis. Thank you, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever part of the world you're watching from. Before that, I would like to thank you for inviting me here in your page, and hello to all your followers and to everyone who's gonna watch later. My name is Irene. I am originally from the Philippines, just like Sis Merly, and I am a single mom of three young adults. I am working as a full-time nanny here in New York, and also I am running my own digital business as well as my side hustle. Sis, yeah,
Mm.
yeah,
Thank you, Sis Irene. So yeah, with this business, we meet people from other part of the world, and it's really nice that it's just happened. I was able to be in place with them,
yeah,
and it's a great experience to be with
correct,
them in this group. So, all right, Sis Irene, I have my first question for you. All of us has a different story how we
correct.
end up here in our business. So how did you find the business, and were you skeptical before joining?
Oh, that is an interesting question. Sis Merly, I found this business through my newsfeed because by the time when I found this business, I'm already in a different venture,
Mm,
but I don't have any experience about it. I have a partner doing that business, but I'm thinking is something if something's going on, I don't know anything about about online something. So I'm looking for free lesson or digital or online class about entrepreneurship. And
mm,
then when I keep scrolling and I found the ads that I watch it, and it is a free webinar. So I keep thinking, why not? It's free. Who doesn't want free?
yeah, right, right.
So I watched that free webinar, and then I resonate with the story, and I saw a lot of I saw few of the business partners that is already successful in their journey. So I get curious about it. So that's why I'm here in the business. Yes, I get skeptical. That's why I didn't join right away. It takes me for a few months before I
Mm,
join the business because I really want to know if this business is legitimate and it's true, and I'm so glad that my coach and my mentor didn't give up on me because I didn't jump in right away. It takes me, and that is my regret. It takes like 3 months or almost 4 months to jump in,
mm.
really. But yeah, so that's how I found this business, and I am here right now talking to you.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much. Yeah, especially on the internet, right? In my case, I'm just grateful that I talked to my mentor. I met her in person in Texas back then, but I didn't know about her before. But I was not really into the Facebook, that looking into the Facebook and
mhm,
clicking on things because I was very skeptical on that. And that in your case, that's part of the reason too that you're probably checking it out and takes a little
yeah,
bit of time in
yes,
order for you to join.
correct.
So, yeah. So, thank you for sharing. And the second one, what do you love about this business?
Oh, I'm so in love of this flexibility. That's why I keep telling to everyone, our business is so portable. Our office is here, it's
Yeah.
just here in the cell phone. You can put it in your pocket, you can put it in your bag. So that is most attractive value or quality of this business, that you can do it anytime and anywhere as long that there is an internet or wi-fi, and everywhere there is a wi-fi already, even you are in the subway. I'm working as a full-time nanny, and I'm always on the go, sis. I
Mhm.
am busy, but my business is running on the background, and of course you always have time we
Yeah.
always have time, and running our business with the power of automation, that we don't need to worry about the email campaign and everything about technical. Still, that is the most important quality in online business. Especially me, I'm not a tech savvy. I don't even know. I'm working as a nanny for almost 18 years, sis. What, I
Wow.
don't know anything about online thing, or that's why I look for the free classes.
Mhm.
Here in our business, we learn everything. You know, even aside from that, our personal growth is there. It rising too. I mean, it helped us to this business not only about financial, but as a whole package. you
Mhm.
know that is what I love in this business. And for sure, one of the most important thing, I know that my business is legitimate, and we pay taxes every year. So that is the most important thing when you are doing or doing business in online world you know
Thank you so much. Yeah, that's one thing, because we can take this business anywhere as long as we have our
yeah,
cell phone and
correct.
with Wi-Fi, right? Or laptop. It's so easy. We just connect them together and it will be okay. A lot of times I'm more comfortable with my laptop using it because it's bigger. You can see everything. But yeah, having the cell phone, that is one thing that it's nice. That's a lot of people love
Yeah.
it that way.
Mabigat kasi yung laptops, eh.
Ay, oo,
And
totoo yan.
mabigat ang laptop. So that's why I'm more comfortable in my phone. I do everything on my phone.
Uh-huh.
But of course, doing this live, I can do it on my phone also, but doing
Yeah.
this live is better in a laptop, because I am here at my in the comfort of my home.
Mhm.
But and doing business, answering inquiries or answering email or everything, I'll do it on my phone, because I'm outside.
Yeah,
I don't want
yeah,
to bring my laptop out, yes,
yeah.
outside. Yeah.
It's really true. It's bulky, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, having the cell phone itself is just really nice, and our community also is really nice. When
Correct.
we have that
Oh yeah.
conversation the other day.
Yes.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh, I was just laughing the whole day. I was like, okay, this is a free Botox. It was so funny. But there's
See,
one thing also
y-
that
you
I,
know,
it's
yeah,
really good.
since I started this business, my routine, I always looking forward every week that we have this session or weekly group live, that me and my co-partners, now that we are talking something that it interests me much. I mean, yung mga natural talk natin as a woman, and
Uh-huh.
parang ano, parang bumabalik tayo sa pagkabata.
Oo, exactly, oo. Yun ang ano sis, kasi yung community natin, we can talk to each other, and then we goof around sometimes the way we talk. I mean, it's still about the business, but
Correct.
it makes us laugh, and
Correct.
it's just a great feeling to have that.
Yes,
So
correct.
yeah, thank you so much.
You're very
And
welcome.
how about this? How do you balance your daily routine of working and running your own business?
Oh,
Kasi nani ka, di ba? And then
oo.
how do you do
Well,
it?
just like what I said, since our business is so portable, we always have time, sis. Kasi nga, 'di ba, nasa cellphone naman tayo all the
Yeah.
time. Instead of being nosy or being marites on different stories, why not do our own stories, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So ayan ang aking habang nasa subway or naghihintay ako ng train, I'm doing my posting and everything. So the balancing, I think, is nasa sa'yo yun, eh. How do you manage your time? Because
Mhm.
especially, if I am at work and I need to be busy on my work, then I leave my phone on my pocket. That's it. I do my job, and I have my automation there. If something is going on my business, the power of automation will manage for me.
Yeah.
So that is the beauty of this business, kasi balance mo lahat.
Mhm.
Kung nasa bahay ka naman, hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon, of course, you have a free time. Even if you are watching TV, you can just sit down on your couch. You have your phone on your side. If there is inquiry, you can just text or you can talk anytime. So balancing is just how you do it on your time. So it's the good thing is, katulad ng sabi mo, na it's very flexible, since it's online,
Oo.
so yeah. So
Totoo
hindi
yan.
hindi mahirap. So hindi talaga mahirap. Walang kahirap-hirap.
Totoo yan, sis. Kasi palagi na naman yung cellphone natin nakakabit palagi eh, di ba?
Totoo naman,
So
'di
it's
ba?
it's really up to us, like you said, it's really up to us to balance our time. We are the boss of ourselves.
Correct.
So unless we are going to be dominated by something else, then why not use our time to do our business instead, and then give us back the opportunity of having that flexibility in the future.
Correct.
So
Correct.
yeah, thank you so much, sis.
Yeah.
Okay, what has been your transformation since you started the business?
Yeah, I am not here if there is no transformation.
Yeah.
I am very introvert. I'm so shy. I remember when the first time I do this live interview. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm so shaking. I feel cold. I'm so nervous. But now, but I don't want to misinterpret this, because maybe people think that when you do this business, you need to do this,
Mhm.
doing
Yes.
live and put your face on the camera. This is not a mandatory. It's
Mhm.
our own choice. You don't have to put yourself in front of the camera, especially if you are not ready. But since you are in this business, your self growth will going, you know, you're going to step up too. You just need to wait, because that time will come. You cannot tell. It happens to me too, sis. I feel, when I keep watching our business partners that doing this, I feel on myself that I can do it. I can do that too. And because of the beauty of this business, you cannot even hold yourself to share it to anyone. And
Mhm.
this is and this is doing live like this is one of the special quality of this business, because this is a free sharing. Hindi natin kasi puwedeng i-keep hold to ourselves yung benefit ng business, eh. Kasi
Yeah.
napakaganda niya, you
Mhm.
know? Napakaganda ng, maibibigay ng business na 'to to other people. This opportunity is really amazing that you cannot keep it to yourself. You need to share. And this doing live is one of a free advertising.
Yeah. Yeah.
And just like what I said, it will comes to you on the right time if you are
Mhm.
ready to face to face it.
Yeah,
So
totoo
kaya,
'yan.
and of course, since I doing this business, nagkaroon ako ng life. Tulad ng sabi ko, I always look forward every week. And kahit every day, when I open my phone is so busy having those conversation, sometimes fun, sometimes not, sometimes stress, but it's still, there's a life. And for my self growth, and of course, aside from extra income, I didn't get much yet, but there is still help. And yeah, before I working 7 days a week, sis, as a
Mm.
full-time nanny, Monday to Friday, and then I do part-time job every weekend. But now I let go my part-time job because I want to push my business, and I want to have my extra time for myself also, and for my kids. They
Mhm.
are all grown up, but still with me, and having some time every weekend is, you cannot get it from anywhere, right? So yeah, that is the transformation I get from this business. Aside from that, I get a confidence talking in front of you now,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totoo 'yan, sis. The transformation here in this business is truly amazing, honestly. Like Irene said that, before she is introvert. Same thing. A lot of people in our business are actually introvert, and because of this opportunity that we have and we join in, we didn't really realize if what we come into, right? And then
Mhm.
later on, we see that, oh my goodness, this is what happened when we are in this online world, in
Mhm.
our online business. So there's so much benefits and transformation in this business that we have. So thank you so much for sharing.
One
Yeah.
one more, sis. Additionally to, yes, like what I said before, I'm not a tech savvy. You know,
Mhm.
I
Oh
don't
yeah.
sis before I start this business, I don't even know how to do copy pasting. You know, I keep bugging my daughter to help me.
Hey.
But I mean, later on, as long as on the way in our journey, you learn everything because it's everything we need to learn. It's already here in our system.
Mhm.
We have those amazing video based training that every step you need is there. You know, it will help you, and then you keep returning. If if you didn't get it in one time, then since it's a video based, you can keep watching every now and then, 100 times if you want. You know, everything on how to manage your business is right there. So,
Mhm.
'di ba? Kaya bongga.
Kaya nga naman sis, pag-umpisa ko nito, hindi rin ako marunong mag-copy paste noon. Kasi hindi naman mag-Facebook lang, 'di ba? Tapos
Oo, wala
ngayon,
namang
all of the sudden, it's just like, oh, really? We have to do this and we have to do that. And then I thought that was just like, oh my God, that was mind blowing.
Hindi, at saka it's a big achievement for us like in our generation na
Yeah.
tayo nakakasabay sa digital world. Aba,
Mhm.
isa malaking opportunity yan para sa atin, ano?
Oo,
'Di ba?
totoo.
Kasi hindi naman natin 'to pinag-aralan noon sa school. And
Mhm.
I don't have this nung nag-aral pa ako noon, wala namang ganito eh. So,
Oo.
pero 'di ba, malaking tulong. It's a very helpful for us that we
Yeah.
know how to, how to operate this kind of technology because we are in a digital era right now,
Yeah, yeah.
you know?
That is so true. And I really I would say that, proudly say that I think only in this business we have everything you learn in every platform, whatever you need to learn, because we have that ongoing training and updates, whatever is going. It's just like, my EI tayo ngayon, my
Mm,
chat DPT, so
mm,
yun tini-teach sa atin. So
mm,
that's one thing that it's the benefits of this. It's
mm,
really nice and help us transform and learn what
mhm.
is coming towards us.
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. How about what is a piece of advice of the new business owner to those who are looking for any business?
Yeah.
Kasi marami doon ang skeptical, right?
Ay, totoo naman 'yan.
Yeah.
Alam mo naman, being skeptical is a part of nicer kasi
Mhm.
it will help you to investigate, to explore first. So, if it's real or not. And
Mhm.
that's how it is, right? Kasi ganun man talaga, if you are business minded, you have to check first, you have to learn, you have to investigate, you have to, because you are going to put your own effort there, when you want to plan your business. But don't be skeptical forever.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not good also,
Mhm.
and we are here to help you and to support you, and to all those people that looking for opportunity. Don't be afraid to step up, lalo na kung nakakita kayo ng ganitong opportunity na, and you figured out that it is real and this is a quality business. Step up, take an action, kasi nothing change if you don't change. If
Mhm.
you keep talking, I really want a change, I really want to be successful, I really want to buy this, I really want to have a time freedom, I want to have a financial freedom, but you don't do anything, then what's gonna happen? Nothing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So take a first step, register on our website, watch the free webinar. You don't have any obligation, it's for free. Watch it, and then why it is important to watch that free webinar, because it will help you to determine if this business is for you or not. It will help you decide
Yeah.
if you want to move on or not. Then, if you want to move on, don't hold yourself. Go for it. We are here to help you. If it's not, it's okay. At least you do something. You
Mhm.
know, small action lead you to a bigger results. So don't hold yourself right now. Go for it. Then we will see you on inside.
Yes.
Mm.
So thank you, Sis Irene. Yeah, that's true. Walang mangyayari sa atin pag palagi lang tayong gustong magsabi na do you want changes but you don't do
Totoo
anything.
naman, di
Then
ba?
Yeah, totoo. Talagang totoo yan. That's a
Mm,
proven already. And part of the reason a lot of successful people out there because they did something for their lives and take action. So taking action is one of the most important things in order for us to change our future, to
correct.
change our lives. So just go into any of our website and then it's right there and see it for yourself. Kasi
Correct. Yeah.
we want you guys to have fun also and enjoy life, you know. We want you or everyone to experience what is really truly happiness is, and joy
Hmm.
being talking to people from all over the world. So
Correct.
this business is the business can help you grow and reach your goal also. So take
Correct.
care everyone, and I thank you, sis. Do you have more
Yeah,
to say?
I think, yeah, that's all I want to say. Just take an action and take a leap of faith. Do your own diligence. Check it out. If it's this business is real, then we can, we can talk about it,
Yeah,
right? So, thanks everyone.
thank you and have a
Thank you,
good
sis.
weekend. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Bye everyone.
Bye.